Hey everyone and welcome to this video. So I have episode 3 of what I bought in a month as a nail tech. So if you've watched the other two, I just put everything together, everything I've bought in a month, just to make it easier and to try and keep accountability of what I'm spending as well. So I'm going to start off with the first thing. This is a press-on packaging set from Shein. So it comes with 20 of these Ziploc holographic bags, and it also comes with a roll of double-sided tape. So I just spotted these, and I'm always looking into new packages for my press-ons and stuff like that. These could also be used for your prep kits or also for your thank you gifts as well if you want. So I got 2 packets of those. There's 20 in each, so that's from Shein. Also, while I was on Shein, I went and I ordered these liner brushes right here. So I have ordered these before. They were slightly different, the ones I ordered, just in looks from the outside, but I think they're pretty much the same thing. They have the same length brushes. There's 2 short ones and then there's a few longer ones. So I'm just going to show you these brushes right here. They're so reasonably priced. If you need tags for anything, I will pop them in the description box. Just comment down below what you want a tag for, because I've just ordered from a lot of different places, so I won't put everything up unless it's asked for. But yeah, I'm just showing you the brushes here, and yeah, they're perfect. I've been using them on clients, I've been using them on press-ons, and they're absolutely perfect. Beautiful for the price. Couldn't recommend these anymore. Okay, so next up from Shein, I ordered these removal bits, and they are 5-in-1 removal bits. And I have to say, yeah, they're good, but I have used better. I do think you get what you pay for, and hence why I ordered 2. I kind of knew I'd go through these quicker. But I would recommend them at the same time if you don't want to invest in more expensive pieces or more expensive drill bits, if you're only doing nails on yourself, or if you just want to save and you just feel like you need to just get a little bit cheaper for the time being, I would go with these. There's nothing wrong with them. I just think we'd probably use them a lot quicker and go through them a lot quicker. Now, next up we have Glitterbels. So if you've watched any of my other hauls, I order from Glitterbels at least once a month. So I use their builder in a bottle for a lot of my clients, and I usually have to order at least 1 bottle a month. I primarily use the shades Dolly and Candy Pie. So this is Dolly. I needed a bottle of Dolly. This is a gorgeous, really pale pink. So really neutrally pale pink. It's absolutely gorgeous for French tips. I'm just going to open it and show you guys here now. It's really, really nice. I really love Dolly. They do have their HEMA-free brand as well, but I actually prefer their old black bottles, and I've never had any problem with them. So I've kind of gone back to using them. Then I also got their acid-free primer, which I absolutely love. And I use their acid-free primer and their bottles of Builder in a Bottle. Love them. Okay, so next up we have something from Amazon. So I did need some chrome. So I needed some plain chrome that will just go over any colour. I didn't want anything that was too iridescent pink or anything like that. So I picked up this chrome. Now, it did come with 2 pots, and it came with a couple of eyeshadow applicators as well, which is what you use to rub in the chrome. So this is quite standard, just your plain old chrome. Again, guys, if you want links for anything, just let me know and I will pop them up as soon as possible. These were pretty inexpensive. I think they were about 6 or 7 euros, I think. But anyways, if you want the links, I'll pop them up. So I'm just going to open it for you here and just show you it up close and personal. But again, Amazon is just so handy with Amazon Prime. It comes usually within either the next day or the day after, for me anyway. So it's just so handy. Also, guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm just going to move on to the next item. So the next item then comes from my local hair and beauty supply shop. So that is just a big bottle of cuticle oil. This is from Hive Solutions, and I've gotten this before, but it's just such a big bottle. It's 30 mils. This scent is gorgeous. It's watermelon, but it's not too overpowering at the same time. And it also is, you don't need a lot. You just need a little drop of this, and it's so moisturizing. I absolutely love it. Then we have some flowers. So I got these in a shop that I wasn't in there looking for anything to do with nails. But I just, when I was in there, I spotted these and I thought they'd be so cute for backgrounds, for nail pictures, even for press-ons, or just have in the background of videos. And I just spotted these and I said, you know what, I'm going to buy them because they just caught my eye so much. So I just got these basically for background photos, and yeah, just kind of like a little prop. So then next up we have these packages from AliExpress, and AliExpress took so long this time. I don't know, is anyone else having the same problem, but it's taken forever for AliExpress to get here. I think that's why I lean towards Temu and Shein. But these crystals are absolutely stunning. I took them out of the package to show you. Look at all those dimensions. They are gorgeous. Now, I did think these were a little bit smaller. They are quite big and they are pointed back. So just to bear that in mind, but they're stunning. I love them so much. This was the other bag. So they're just your AB crystals and they are little triangles. So I just like picking up little bits and pieces of stones and adding them to my collection. I like doing it that way instead of buying the big boxes. I don't know why. I just always liked picking up little packets of crystals whenever I see them. But guys, thank you so much. That is everything I bought this month. I did really well. I didn't spend that much. This is probably my least spend month of all time. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.